Hello guys, I'm here again in Parker, Colorado. Beautiful sunny day. It's a little chilly, I'm not gonna lie you, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful day. So I came here 1 week ago because Mr. Dan, he contacted me through Google. He found me on Google and he contacted me because he owned the company that is in charge to deliver a massage chair to clients. And when he did the delivery in this house, unfortunately something was wrong with the chair, and he made a big scratch on the floor. Fortunately for him, the floor, it was full of acrylic wax. So when I came here to do the consultation for him, I realized, I showed the owner of the house that doing the wax removal and screen and recoat, it will fix the issue that they have on the floor. So immediately after I did that, they realized. I talked to Mr. Dan and I explained to him, and he would agree with the homeowner, and he's gonna pay for the owner house project that we are gonna be doing. But anyway guys, I'm gonna flip it out the camera and show you what I'm gonna be doing. Like I said, it's a beautiful neighborhood here in Colorado. But I'm gonna show you guys what I did. When I came here 1 week ago, I did a test on the floor in 3 different spots. One of the spots is right here. As you can see, look at this. You can see better. I did a test over there, taking all the scratch that it was over there. You can see here the scratch all the way since the main entrance go until the stairs. So I did also another test right there, and you can see how is the difference between a clean floor versus the wax that it has right now. So yep, it's what are we gonna be doing today. It's around 850 square feet, this house. Living room, hall, and here the dining room with the kitchen. Look at this, how shiny it is, because of the kind of product that I always said to the customer that they don't have to be using. So guys, let's stay tuned. Hi guys, we're back here. As you can see, we are treating here the floor with the emulsifier. Right now, he's taking all the wax from the edges. So, but look at see. But something that I want to show you is the huge difference. Look at here, all this wax, and look at the floor. It's looking so far with any wax on. So zoom it. You can see. Alright, yeah. All this area is out of wax already. So we continue here removing the wax, and after that we'll be screening and recoating at the end. Alright. right, guys, we're back here to see the final result. Look at this, such a huge difference. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. No wax, new coating. Look at this. It looks amazing. Amazing, guys. What do you think, ma'am? Come in here. No worries. You can walk with me. It's ready. It's ready. All right, guys. You can see the final result. All right, guys. If you want to contact us or subscribe to the YouTube channel, go ahead, call us, and we'll be there for you. Stay tuned, guys.